Good morning. Welcome to my online class. I am Shubhrata, your chemistry lecturer. Today we talk about chapter 11, Mineral and Resources, Fossils. You already get some lecture on this chapter. Today we talk about polymer reaction, polymerization reaction, and some different types of reaction on this topic. First, we discuss about polymer. What is called polymer? A brief discussion on it. First, we discuss polymer, the reaction in which innumerable tiny molecules of any substance are attached with each other and form a large molecule is called polymerization reaction. That means when a small amount of tiny molecules of any compound attach one another and make a large molecule is called, the reaction is called polymerization reaction. Here the compound is called polymer and the tiny molecule is called monomer. Each of the tiny molecules which take part in polymerization reaction is called monomer. That means the small molecules is called monomer and the large molecule formed because of the reaction is called polymer molecule. Okay, when two monomer join each other it is called dimer. When three monomer join one another is called trimer. The main element of our food is protein, which is one of the polymer of amino acid. That means protein is a polymer of amino acid. We have to know that food is a polymer. Polymerization reaction are two types. One is addition polymerization reaction or addition polymer. Addition polymer, and another is condensation polymerization reaction. First we discuss about additional polymerization reaction. In polymerization reaction in which monomer molecules are directly connected to one another and form a long chain polymer is called addition polymerization reaction. That means when two molecules of alkene attached with one another and form a dimer. This is called the additional polymerization reaction. Some example of additional polymerization are given here. Ethane to polyethene. Polyethene. We have to know that in additional polymerization reaction, alkene or alkyne are given this type of reaction. When alkene, ethene, n molecule of ethene react one another and it will produce polyethene CH2 CH2. Here n molecule or lots of molecules are attached to one another and form polyethene. In this reaction 200 degrees Celsius and little amount of oxygen is present. And the temperature is 1000 atm. A huge amount of pressure is applied for this reaction. Then we discuss about polypropene or polypropane. Polypropene is also react with CH3 CH double bond CH2. Then high pressure, high temperature, and it will produce or CH2 N CH3. That means this double bond is broken and other monomer are attached with this bond and polypropene is formed. Okay, high temperature is 120 degrees Celsius. Then PVC, polyvinyl chloride. It's an important plastics or polymer in our daily life. It's called the vinyl chloride. When this vinyl chloride go through the polymerization reaction, it will produce polyvinyl chloride. High pressure and high temperature. And catalyst is needed for this reaction, organic peroxide. R2O2 can be an organic peroxide. This catalyst is needed for this reaction. Okay, this bond shows that it will attach with another vinyl chloride to form a polymer. Okay, here N molecule of vinyl chloride is used for this reaction. Now we discuss about condensation polymerization. Condensation polymer. The polymerization reaction in which the monomer molecule release small molecules such as water, carbon dioxide and other molecules during their joining one another is called condensation polymerization reaction. That means when a polymerization reaction is occurred, a small amount of water or carbon dioxide is released is called condensation polymerization reaction. Production of nylon 6,6 is an example of condensation polymerization reaction. Here adipic acid, the formula of adipic acid is NH2 CH2 6 NH2 react with hexamethylene diamine. First I write the formula of the monomer, then we discuss the reaction of condensation polymerization or the production of nylon 6,6. This is called the adipic acid, COOH CH2 4 COOH. It's called the adipic acid. And it's called the hexamethylene diamine. Okay, hexamethylene, this radical is called methylene radical, and two amine radical are here. That's the name of this compound is hexamethylene diamine, and here two molecule of acid, organic acid or fatty acid radical are present. This compound is called adipic acid. Here high temperature and titanium oxide is used as a catalyst. Okay, Then we discuss about the reaction of this production of nylon 6,6. Here we show the reaction COOH CH2 4 COOH plus NH2 CH2 6 NH2. Here this hydroxide radical or this hydroxide attached with one atom of hydrogen and produce water. That means here CH2C double bond O NH CH2 6 NH. Again, one molecule of hydroxide attached with another hydrogen atom and produce again one molecule of water. And again one molecule of hydroxide is attached with another hydrogen atom and produce CH2 4 C double bond O H. It is the reaction or it is the production of nylon 6,6. Again we write the reaction C double bond O. This hydroxide will react with another atom of hydrogen and produce one molecule of water CH2 4 C double bond O. This OH react with one atom of hydrogen and produce one molecule of water CH2 6 NH N. Okay, is the symbol of nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6. Okay, now we discuss about natural polymer. Example are starch, cellulose in plants are formed by glucose molecule. So glucose is the monomer of cellulose and starch polymer. Protein is a polymer of amino acid. We already know this. Juice from rubber trees is also a natural polymer. You have an homework for your home is uses of different types of polymer and their properties, advantage and disadvantage of using plastics. Okay, today's class is come to an end. Please take notes from our lecture and write very carefully, read the book very attentively and solve some problems from your test paper. It's our last class on this chapter. Please go through and read very carefully and repeatedly from your book, and please solve some CQ question and MCQ question from your book and test paper. Thank you.